Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox uh, crash problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here device manager, and then once you're here, all you need to do just click display adapters. Make sure to update all the drivers here. Update driver, click search automatically for drivers, and also update processors. Right click and update, and that's it. After that, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, right click on Roblox, then go to properties, compatibility, and here click run compatibility troubleshooter, and once you're here, all you need to do just click try recommended settings, and then click test the program, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.